Attention Pi miners, Pi network just introduced a very important security update, that's two-factor authentication, the 2FA. If you don't activate it, you might lose access to your Pi wallet. But don't worry, in this video I will explain everything super simple and I'll show you exactly how to set it up in just a few clicks. So stay with me till the end of this video. So first, what is 2FA and why does it matter? 2FA stands for two-factor authentication. It is an extra security layer that protects your Pi account from hackers and unauthorized access. Without 2FA, if someone guesses or steals your password, they can easily access your Pi wallet. But with 2FA, even if they have your password, they cannot log in without an extra verification step. So come to think of it like this: your password is the key to your house, and two-factor authentication is a security guard that checks your identity before letting you in. So you can see that even though the person has the key to your house, if the security guard sees that you don't have the identity, they won't let the person in. Do you understand? This is a very important update. Do you get? So that means only you can access your account even if someone else has your password. Here is the most important part. If you don't enable two-factor authentication, Pi network will not migrate your Pi balance to the mainnet. That means all those your Pi that you've mined could be stocked or even returned to the pool. Like all those ones that you've mined all this while that it's under transferable, they might send it back to unverified. So Pi network has given everyone 14 days to activate two-factor authentication after they start the migration process. If you don't do it in time, your Pi balance might be sent back. So if you want to protect your Pi, activate two-factor authentication right now. So if you want to set up your two-factor authentication or you are looking for a video, I already made a video. Just go to my channel, check the previous video, you will see it there. Watch the video to the end. It's going to show you how to set it up without doing any mistake. Make sure you do it. Make sure you do it. It's very important. To sum it up, two-factor is a must to keep your Pi safe. You have only 14 days to activate it once your migration starts. Without that two-factor authentication, you might lose access to your Pi wallet. I already told you before. So what do you think about this update? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any Pi network update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.